In this video, we will derive the formula for area of triangle that we are going to use in coordinate geometry. Okay. In your lower classes, you have learned area of triangle. The formula for area of triangle is half into base into height square units. This is the formula you have used already in your lower classes. So, in this coordinate geometry, when you take x-axis and y-axis, okay, so you take a triangle A, B, C. A, B, C triangle you are taking. A, B, C triangle you are taking. So this is A, take this as B and this one as C. So the coordinate of A, take it as x1 comma y1, B as x2 comma y2, C as x3 comma y3. These are the coordinate points. You draw perpendicular line. You draw perpendicular line for all the 3 points. Okay, you draw perpendicular. So A, B, C, you take this as P, Q, R. So PB is perpendicular to x-axis, AQ is perpendicular to x-axis and CR is perpendicular to x-axis. Okay, so when you take, if you want to find the area of this triangle, in other way we can do that. If you take PBQA, you can say that it is a trapezium. That is, one pair of sides are parallel. So we will say that as trapezium. PBQA. Okay. This is one trapezium. Then you take this one also. AQRC. This is another trapezium. So you add these two trapezium and you subtract this part of the trapezium. You will get the area of the triangle. Okay. I will repeat it once again. BPQA. This is one trapezium. Okay. This is one trapezium. Okay. Then this is another trapezium. Okay. Known to unknown we will go. That is, area of the trapezium we know. So you take, from that you subtract this area of trapezium. So these two trapezium, area of the trapezium, this area of the trapezium and this area of the trapezium you add. Okay. Then you subtract this part of the trapezium. This one also you will get it as another trapezium. So when you subtract this, you will get the area of this triangle. This only we need. That you will get. Area of this triangle. So that only we are going to do now. Okay. So, what is area of trapezium? Half h into a plus b. Half into area of trapezium. So, area of trapezium is half into height into sum of the parallel sides. That is, you will say it as a plus b. Half h into half into height into sum of the parallel sides, a plus b. This is the formula for area of trapezium. This we will apply it here. Okay. So first you take the first trapezium. First trapezium is BPQA. BPQA. This trapezium you take. So what is it? Half into height. What is the height? What is the height of this? This will be the height of the trapezium. PQ. PQ is the height of this. When you take this trapezium, PQ is the height. Half h into a plus b. A is this length. This side. One of the parallel side and the other parallel side is AQ. So half PQ into PB plus AQ. Okay. Now half into PQ. So how will you find the length of PQ? This one is O. OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP. You will get the length of this. PB and PB plus AQ. Write it as it is. Okay. So half into OQ minus OP. What is OQ? This length is x1 minus OP length is x2. x1 minus x2 into PB. What is the length of this? This is, what is the length of this? This is the y coordinate. So y2 plus AQ. AQ is y coordinate. That is, length of AQ is nothing but the y coordinate. Y coordinate is y1. So half into x1 minus x2 into y2 plus y1. So this is for one triangle, one trapezium. Then the next trapezium is AQRC. This is another trapezium. AQRC is another trapezium. So for that also half into height is QR. Height is QR and sum of the parallel sides is AQ plus CR. Okay. So half into QR as usual, OR minus OQ. OR minus OQ into AQ plus CR. Write like this. Okay. So half into OQ minus OR. OQ is, what is length of OQ? x1 minus OQ, OR. OR is x3. x3 minus OQ is x1 into AQ. AQ is y1 plus CR. CR is y3. Okay, understood. Now, another trapezium is there, isn't it? B, P, R, C. So for this it is half into, what is the base? B, P, R, C. Base is PR. Base is PR. And the parallel sides is BP plus CR. So that is equal to half into PR is, what is length PR? OR minus OP. OR is x3 minus OR minus OQ. OQ is x1. Then BP. BP length. Length of BP is y2 plus CR. CR length is y3. So now you got three trapezium. This one is area of the first trapezium, BPQA. This one is area of the next trapezium, AQRC. Then BPRC. This one. So first two things you will add and the last one you will subtract. So when you do like this, when you simplify this, that is, when you simplify and substitute these values, you will get the area of triangle. That is, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapeziums BPQA plus AQRC minus BPRC. Okay. So when you simplify, when you add these two trapezium and subtract this trapezium part, you will get the area of triangle. So you substitute all these things in this. When you simplify this, you will get area of triangle ABC is equal to half into area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 square units. So when you substitute all these points in this formula, the numerical value that you are getting, that is the area of the triangle ABC. So you will get that in square units. So all these things has to be substituted here. When you simplify this, how you are getting the formula for that? For that only I am giving you idea. So this derivation and all, if you do it, it will be very big, but you should know the outline idea that how you are getting the area of triangle in this coordinate. So this is the formula for area of triangle ABC in coordinate geometry. Okay children, understood? Thank you.